Welcome to another Alan's Challenge Days. Right, so yesterday I did one from Blazing Foods and it was the Ice Cream Fire Bar Challenge. It's not an actual challenge bar itself because it doesn't count, you don't get the points on the League of Fire side. Excuse me. But it's the world's hottest freeze-dried ice cream sandwich. It's meant to be, anyway, 1.4 million Scovilles, and it's a 7-pot Primo pepper in there. It also says this isn't your ordinary ice cream sandwich. It's a culinary paradox, a daring dance between the polar opposites of taste. Imagine the creamiest, most delicate freeze-dried ice cream sandwich you've ever tasted, but with a twist that only Blazing Foods could deliver. I'll agree with that. Right. Each bite of a freeze-dried fire bar is an adventure. The initial sweetness of the ice cream lulls you into a sense of comfort, only to be followed by the thrilling heat of the world's renowned 7-pot Primo pepper. This super hot pepper, known for its fiery intensity, infuses our ice cream sandwich with heat that bulbs, creating an experience that will be as exciting as it is delicious. Okay, now this isn't a League of Fire challenge, but I'm hoping one day it will be. Now I'm late at the game. This has been out for a wee while now, and I have seen after yesterday I went on YouTube and I did check other people doing it, and everybody had a different reaction, and that's a good thing about sauces and challenges. Everyone is different. The reaction is different all the time. Mine yesterday was tasty, but that was it. So, but what I still will do, I'll do a disclaimer because maybe one day, League of Fire, I'll put that on their site and I can get the points for it. Okay, so I, Alan Graham, I'm over the age of 18 years of age. With sound mind, I've read and understood the hot stuff per disclaimer on the League of Fire website. In summary, I accept that League of Fire, this applies and manufacturers will, under no circumstances, be responsible for or liable for any claims of injury or damage arising from me consuming this product or multiples thereof. I acknowledge and agree to this fact without question because I'm the one who's stupid enough to doing it. That's the one at the road. So, as I said, I did this one yesterday, and I was after I seen a couple of comments. I said I better go and check this out. So I did check the internet. People had different reactions to it. So I'm going to see what mine is today. Different ones from them. Okay, I have a couple. Right. So which one will I take? Right. Well, let's go that one. Okay. Let's give that one a try. So get it warmed up. Let you all see it. Get a glass over there. Got a collection of these things. This one's broken. So you're actually going to get the see inside this one. There you go. Oh, the dust. Ooh, there you go. Oh, there you see inside it. So you can see, but you can see the dust. Oh, look at that. All over it. So, what I'm going to do what I did yesterday. Heat it, wait the 5 minutes, challenge done. Okay. Get a clock ready. Now, just like anything, there's no time limit to this. So, here we go. Round 2 of the Ice Cream Fire Bar Challenge. Was I wrong yesterday, or is it just the same? Got a lovely crunchiness to it. you've got to watch the dust. As I says, watch the dust. Well, yeah. That's the dust. The pepper, it's all over that. So, just like yesterday. Gee, Christ. You get that lovely, I was put over as like vanilla. Note to self, don't sniff the bar. That's what happens. But got a lovely flavour to it. You definitely get that ice cream flavour from it in your mouth. It's just like a ice cream in my mouth, honestly. My nose run there. Stop sneezing now, hope. But the heat again. Keep it away from me this time. Now, I wasn't planning on doing this. There you go, what's going on? That's not what I want. This one's hot. There, you can actually see it. All that pepper, dust all over it. Okay. The heat. Honestly, I hate that dust. Honestly. And I shouldn't have used that same one for the nose, because I've got it up my nose. Flavour, absolutely spot on. No issues at all. Okay. When it comes to heat, it's not even registering it now. I've got more yeah, see it right, eh? I've got more burn up all about here coming through the dust. Which leads me to one thing. I had a couple of comments the other day when we were waiting for the clock going down. Regarding, it must be warm because you're always getting a nose run. No, I'm getting a nose run because I have a problem with my sinuses and I'm waiting to go into hospital for an operation. I have been waiting for the last 4 years. The good old NHS, the way they are. Fact. Right? And I'm still waiting. The other thing was people saying, it must be hard what you're saying. Other people doing it. Brian, Roger, Johnny, and all they were all saying it's up here. You're saying it's the way down here. You're not telling the truth. I'm not taking anything before it, as some people have said, right? That is a live review. How you're seeing it there, right? By the time I do anything, if I was taking anything before it, it'd bore off. Okay? By the time I do the little bit introduction. So what you see is 100% real review. There you go. That's the 5 minutes up. I don't lie. 100%. That's the worst thing about challenges like this. If you get that dust stuck in the back of your throat. As it happens to me all the time. Dear, dear. Dearie, fuck. This is one of the reasons I don't do a lot of multiples. Because nothing worse than getting a good old coughing fit. Let's see if I can get a better one to keep. Again, that's the second one now. I would say I'm starting to get a bit of a burn now. I'm still on the ones. Yes, the ones. But it's a tasty one. There's one you could do multiple times. Well, I'm enjoying it. It's not pushing me at all. What I'm going to do, I take that this time. Because I always like keeping one for up there. Oh, dear. Stay away from that dusting out. Get it out of there. better look at it when it's there. You see it? You see how much powder's on that. See if I can get through one without coughing or sneezing. Still a low one. I'm not saying Blazing Food is lying, because I have seen other people's reviews on it, doing it, all different. Some people really burning, some people not. I'm one of the people who are not. And I'm sure if I took anything before it, I'd have been more off by now. So that's number 2 done. Let's go for the third now. Love the flavour though. I may get more. Nice little Scooby snack. So, ice cream fire bar challenge. Number 3. I could honestly eat this all day. No. Well, that's 3 down. Still low ones. This wasn't for that coughing. Christ. Come on, NHS. Get your figure out. I want this fixed. say, I can't fault the flavour. Love it. Heat. It's not doing anything for me at the moment. Right. This is all because of the dust in the back of my throat. Well, I did buy 5 in total, so I may as well do the last one. I did one yesterday. Do your maths. I get that right this time. Come on. What is it with these as well, man? See that? Well coated. Excuse me for that. Not having a good day, doing a challenge. Keep that one from my collection. So if you had them and you're suffering the same, getting that dust and getting that coughing fit, let me know. Or is it just me? Yeah. So ice cream, Firebar, number 4. And you're going to burn me? Got another 3 over there. I'm not actually getting a good burny on the lips today. It's more up what we do here. All that dust. There we go. So, number 4 on the door. Oh, come on. I do apologise for all that. Absolutely ruins the video. Come on. Oh. Not happy. As I say, one of the reasons I don't do a lot of challenges with the dust, like that was there, because of that. When it gets stuck in the back of your throat, there's nothing you can do. So I do apologise, everyone. Believe it or not, I'm still at a low one. And I know for a fact there are going to be people out there who are not going to believe me. But I'm at a low one. But it's a lovely flavour. You can eat that all day. Take the dust off. Mouth is well coated. But heat. Honestly, I swear, a low one. Not bothering me. Even going down here, I'm not really feeling it here in my stomach, my chest. The worst part has been the coughing. That's been a bit. I'm going to have to find something else to do now. Well, I do hope you enjoyed this one. That's going to take roughly about 30 minutes of me coughing. As I do, so I'm sorry about that. Nothing worse when it hits the back of your throat. About 31 minutes. very enjoyable one. Love the flavour. Flavour been absolutely spot on. Getting the ice cream vanilla hit. The bar itself was lovely. You're definitely getting that pepper coming in. You can feel it, but it's not pushed me, right? Not everyone's the same. Okay. That's 4 that we've had. I could have kept on going. So, as I say, guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. I definitely did. Apart from you know what. I'll catch you all on the next one. I'll wait for the 5 minutes first. There you go. Thank you very much for tuning in, guys. And I'll see you all later. Bye.